this video, I will show you how to solve a Skewb. I will be using the guide from my website. The link is in the description. Step 1 is to arrange the white corners around the white center. Find your white center and hold your Skewb with that center on top. Find the white, red, green corner. For us, it's in the top here. If it's in the top layer, turn that corner so it moves down to the bottom layer. If it's already in the bottom layer for you, then just hold your Skewb with a white center on top and this white, red and green corner in the bottom right hand side. Follow these steps to put this corner in place. So you twist this corner until white is facing to the right, and then twist the bottom left corner to move the corner in place. Next, we find the white, red, blue corner. Again, for us, it's in the top here. Move this corner into the bottom layer, taking care not to move it below this solved corner. This is wrong. Move it to the opposite side. Hold your Skewb with the solved corner in the back. And the red, blue, white corner is in the bottom right hand side. Follow these steps to put this corner in place. Again, our corner already has white facing to the right, so you just keep turning until you have white facing to the right, and then turn the bottom left corner so that the corner moves into place. Notice the matching side colors. Next, find the white, blue, orange corner. For us, it's in the bottom layer here. We don't want it underneath the corner that we've just solved. So we're going to just twist this so that it's on the opposite side of the corner that we've just solved. And there is a white, blue, orange corner. It's on the opposite side. Again, we follow these steps to put this corner in place. Turn until the white faces to the right, and then turn the bottom left hand corner to put this piece in place. Notice the matching side colors. The last corner to put in place is the white, green, orange corner. For us, it's already in the bottom here. If your corner is in the top here but the wrong way around, then move it down to the bottom, but taking care that the white does not end up on the bottom. Like this is wrong. You want to turn it so that the white sticker is either facing to the front or the left or right. You'll have one of these two cases and follow the case that matches your situation to put the piece in place without disturbing the solved corners. Step 1 is done. For step 2, we want to orientate the yellow corners. Turn your Skewb around so that white is now at the bottom. Have a look at the yellow corners only. You'll have one of two cases. Find the case that matches your situation and follow the steps to orientate the corners. Notice that if you have two corners facing up, you need to hold your Skewb so that this yellow side here is facing you. This is incorrect, and this is correct. Turn your Skewb 90 degrees and you'll have the two yellow sides facing to the right. Follow the same steps again. For the next step, we want to move the yellow center into place. Hold your Skewb with that yellow center at the back and the orientated corners on top. The solved white side is at the bottom. Follow these steps to move that yellow center in place. Now to complete the last centers, if you have 4 unsolved centers, then hold your Skewb with white and yellow on the left and right hand side. And make sure the top center matches the front corners. So this is incorrect. This is correct. Follow these steps to rotate these 3 centers. Now you have 3 solved centers, which includes the white and yellow. Hold your Skewb so that the solved center is at the bottom. And again, turn it around so that the top center color matches the front corners. And this is the last algorithm that will solve the last 3 centers. There you go, your Skewb is solved.